Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful silk thread finger ring and these cute silk thread and quilled earrings using tricolors. Isn't it looking very attractive? And this is very easy to create. So let's get started. For this we need quilling mold, scissor, green and golden ball chains, earring hooks, flower caps, T-pins, orange, green and white silk threads, quilling tool, yellow color 3mm quilling strips, fabric glue, plier and 21 cm book. First I am taking this 21 cm long book and just wrapping orange color silk thread around this. So I am making total 18 to 20 rounds. Now cutting this bunch from the center, hold like this. Now I am folding this whole bunch in half. Again folding in half. And now fold it one more time like this. Now I am adding little fabric glue on top and just connecting this bunch together like this. Now I will just tie one piece of thread around this to make it little stronger. Cut excess threads. So this is done. In the same way I have created white bunch and green color bunch with the same procedure. Now gather all three color bunches together and I will connect all three bunches from top using fabric glue again. Now again I am taking one piece of orange color thread and wrapping the thread from top of this bunch. Now I am taking this golden flower cap, insert one T-pin through the center of flower cap, add little fabric glue and connect this bunch inside this flower cap. Let it dry completely. Now I am taking 1.5 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. Now shaping it as a dome. Like this. In the same way I have created one more dome. Now just adding glue inside both the domes, spreading it using brush. Now I will connect both the domes with each other like this and I am wrapping 1/4 strip of yellow from the center to bind these two domes with each other firmly. Now I am wrapping one green color ball chain piece in the center part. Like this. So it's dried. Now I am inserting this T-pin through this ball. Now I am cutting excess wire from top. First twist this wire little bit using plier, and then I am inserting golden color earring hook through this. Just secure the wire. So this is done. Now I will just cut these loops using scissor. Like this. Now I am trimming the bottom to make it equal, like this. Now to create these silk thread tassels straight, I am just applying little water on this. And after drying, it will become straight. So it's done. In the same way I have created one more earring. So earrings are ready. Now I'm starting with ring. For this I'm taking this cardboard circle. The diameter is 5 centimeters, and I'm making one hole using my hole punch machine in the center of this circle. Now again I'm taking one bunch of orange colored thread, applying little glue, and now I'm just wrapping this orange thread on this ring. So I am creating total 2 triangles like this. Now just securing the end of thread, cutting excess thread. Like this. Now I am taking bunch of green color thread and I am making 2 more triangles like this. So repeat this process like we did for orange one. So this is done. Now In all 4 spaces I am adding bunch of white colored threads. So complete this. So after filling all the gaps using white, it will look like this. Now I have created one more dome using yellow color strip as we created earlier. So now I am applying little fabric glue on this. First I am connecting the dome, and then I am adding some green and golden color ball chains around this. Now to create ring, I am taking 4 strips of yellow color, and first I am just measuring the ring size around my finger, just applying little glue as a marking. Now I am creating the ring. So it should be of your finger size. Now I am just wrapping the remaining strips around this till the end. Secure the end. So ring is ready. Now I am just connecting the ring with the silk thread pattern using fabric glue. So hold it for some time and let it completely dry. So the beautiful silk thread tricolor and quill earrings and finger ring is ready. Isn't it looking very vibrant? So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.